start saving anybody this trouble, whenever you stop by to get gas, and that happened to my friend, and I'm trying to prevent it from happening to anybody, right? So be careful when you're opening the door. If it's windy and then you have these posts, what happened to him, it was very windy that day and he opened his door and the back door is damaged. And you have this will damage it, and most likely it's gonna require for the whole panel to be replaced. So folks, be careful whenever you're getting gas. Keep that in mind. Don't park too close to the post. Sometimes they are here, sometimes they are right in front of the pump. So it's something you gotta be very careful with. So while opening the door, be careful with this. Am I in frame? All right. So again, this is my son and Sony boy Jalen, the camera. So if anything you can do, if it's windy, this thing is gonna swing open, right? So make sure, because some of the gas stations, they have the post right in the front. Make sure you don't hit it, and once you hit it, you might need to replace your old door panel. All right, this is a little advice for the day. My name is Berdy. Until next time. You did it, son.